Market update for Monday, June 3, 2024. Welcome to today's current market update for Monday, June 3, 2024. Please note that the following information is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered as trade advice. Let's dive into the details. Market performance. On Friday, May 31st, the markets experienced mixed results. The Dow had an exceptional day, closing more than 570 points higher, marking its best day in 2024. Overall, stocks had a winning month of May, indicating positive market sentiment. Currency pairs. Looking ahead to Monday, there is an expectation of an upward bias in the markets. In terms of currency pairs, the New Zealand dollar is anticipated to have a strong bias to the upside, while the Swiss franc is expected to have a strong downwards bias. The New Zealand Dollar Swiss Franc pair is predicted to be the strongest currency pair with a strong upward bias. Indices. Furthermore, the SPY, QQQ, and Dow are expected to continue with an upward bias, suggesting a positive outlook for these indices. This indicates that the overall market sentiment is optimistic and investors may see potential opportunities in these indices. Gold. Additionally, gold is expected to continue its upward bias. This suggests that investors may consider gold as a safe haven asset or a potential investment option during this period. Educational reminder. It is crucial to remember that the information provided here should not be taken as trade advice. It is always recommended to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any trading decisions. The market is dynamic and can be influenced by various factors, so it is essential to stay informed and make informed decisions. Conclusion. The market update for Monday, June 3, 2024, indicates a positive outlook for the markets. The Dow had a remarkable performance on Friday, and stocks had a winning month of May. The New Zealand dollar is expected to have a strong bias to the upside, while the Swiss franc is anticipated to have a strong downwards bias. The SPY, QQQ, and Dow indices are expected to continue with an upward bias, and gold is predicted to maintain its upward bias. Remember to use this information for educational purposes only and always conduct thorough research before making any trading decisions. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, where you can find more informative content like this. Remember to be guided by your inspiration and transformed by your trading.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.